This is a video on the properties of definite integrals. The question states, given that the integral from -1 to 5 of f of x dx equals 4, and the integral from 3 to 5 of f of x dx equals 7, evaluate the integral from -1 to 3 of 6 times f of x dx. So we're going to use the properties, and the first one is we want the integral from -1 to 3, and we have -1 to 5 and 3 to 5. So I can break up the integral from -1 to 5 of f of x dx as the integral from -1 to 3 of f of x dx plus the integral from 3 to 5 of f of x dx. That's one of the properties that says I can take a middle number and integrate from a to c is the integral from a to b plus the integral from b to c. Now I can substitute in this left-hand side is 4, and the far right-hand side is 7. So I can say that 4 equals the integral from -1 to 3 of f of x dx plus 7. And then just subtract 7 from both sides, and I get the integral from -1 to 3 of f of x dx equals -3. And that's good because I have an integral from -1 to 3, but there's this 6 here. But we have a property of integrals that says that a 6, or any number, can get pulled outside of the integral. So we get 6 times the integral from -1 to 3 of f of x dx. And the integral from -1 to 3 of f of x dx is -3. So I get 6 times -3, or -18. So in conclusion, I can say that the integral from -1 to 3 of 6 times f of x dx is equal to -18. And I'm done with the problem.